What's going on, guys? Hippie here. So I got a master lockout, tag out, 410. I think it's a 410. I always get confused whenever it comes to model numbers. Anyways, let's just see what kind of damage we could do. I've practiced a couple of times with this thing because it is a pain in the butt. So let's just get into it, see what kind of damage we can do. I end up picking the warding more than the actual pins in this thing, which is shocking because the keyway is wide open. I'm pretty sure I just overset that one. False set. Whoo, that was a bigger false set. Another one. All right, where are you? There's one. There's one that hasn't been set yet. There it is. Did I slip off of it? I think I keep slipping. Oh, there it is. Okay. Go back to the back. Good. Good. Well, shit. Oh, wow. This thing is camera shy. There's one thing I can say about this lock. It has taught me how to float pick. There it is. Goodness. All right, so that's the master lock. Lock out, tag out, 410. Pain in the ass and bane of my existence. This thing has been in the naughty bucket for a hot minute. Make sure it's still functioning and I didn't rattle it. So that's what the key bitting looks like, and why it was a little bit of a pain for me. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.